Hi, my name is Kariti Soni and I am a new intern of Lexis and Company and I studied in IME Law College and today we are going to discuss about a new topic which is the difference between IPC and CRPC. Firstly, we discuss what is IPC. In 1834, First Law Commission was set up in India and the chairman of this commission was Thomas Babington Macaulay. The commission had three main tasks. First was to codify all the penal laws of India and second, to define the applicability of laws on non-Hindus and non-Muslims, and third is to codify civil and criminal procedure code law. So, in 1837, this commission prepared a draft of IPC and implemented in 1860. IPC is mainly the work of Lord Macaulay and because of this it is also known as Macaulay Code. And next is CRPC. It is Indian main legislation which define the implementation procedure of criminal law in India like investigation, crime, apprehension of suspected criminals, collection of evidences, determination of guilt or innocence, determination of punishment of the guilty. In 19th century, East India Company did not have its own courts. Each and every king had their own justice system, but after the revolt of 1857, the Crown took over the administrative system in India and the British Parliament established a uniform criminal code in India in 1861. Then after this, independent India First Law Commission set up in 1955 and whose chairman was M.C. Stillwell, and this commission deeply studied the CRPC and submitted its report in 1969 and gave so many recommendations and suggestions, and these suggestions incorporated in CRPC in 1973 and came into force in 1st April 1974. When this draft prepared, three principles included. First one was that an accused get fair trial in accordance with the principle of natural justice, and second was that every effort should be made to avoid delay in investigation and trial, and third was the procedure should not be complicated and ensure a fair trial to the poorer section of the society. Now we just go through the whole part, whatever we discuss. IPC and CRPC. Let's differentiate. It is substantive law and CRPC is procedural. IPC enacted in 1860 and came into force in 1862, and CRPC enacted in 1973 and came into force 1974. And IPC contains 511 section and CRPC contains 484 section and 37 chapter and 2 schedule. And IPC contains 23 chapter. IPC define the offense and prescribe punishment, and CRPC define the procedure just like investigation, interrogation, evidence, trial, arrest, bail. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like this video and learned something from it. So do like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.